In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar with your Samsung Calendar. This process is incredibly helpful for keeping all your scheduled events in one place, ensuring you never miss another important date. So let's get started. First, on your Samsung phone, you'll want to head over to the settings. Look for the familiar gear icon and give it a tap. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find accounts and backup. This section is where you'll manage and add accounts to your device. Click on Manage Accounts and then look for the option that says Add Account. Now, when you tap Add Account, you'll be presented with several options. Choose Google from the list. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure it's the same Google account you use for your Google Calendar, as this will allow everything to sync properly. During this setup, you'll be given the option to turn on Calendar Sync. It's crucial to ensure that this is enabled so that all your events will seamlessly transfer over. With your Google account added, the next step is to enable Calendar Sync, if it isn't already. Head back to Settings, navigate once again to Accounts and Backup, and select Manage Accounts. This time, instead of adding an account, you're going to select your existing Google account from the list. Once you've done this, tap on Sync Account. You should see a list of different types of data you can sync. Make sure that Calendar is toggled on. If it's switched off, simply tap it to enable it. For those of you who like things to refresh instantly, you can tap Sync Now to ensure the latest information is updated immediately. With syncing enabled, you're almost set. Next, you'll want to check that everything is good to go in your Samsung Calendar app. Open the app and look towards the top left corner for an icon that resembles three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Tap that and you'll see a sidebar. Here, look for calendars. This area will show you which calendars are currently visible. Ensure that your Google account calendar is checked. If you don't see your Google Calendar listed, tap on Manage Calendars where you'll gain the ability to toggle it on. And there you have it. You've successfully synced your Google Calendar with your Samsung Calendar. By following these steps, you ensure that all your important events, meetings, and reminders are available at a glance, no matter which calendar you're looking at. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.